I actually did something. I recorded it a little while ago in building the fabrication UI for my shop, which by the way is done. Anyway, I recorded something and it's pretty cool. And it shows me that, hey, I actually am kind of beginning to learn and understand this stuff. So I'm going to play that now.
All right, I want to show you guys some stuff. So first of all, this is what I built. I'm trying to work on the fabrication UI for the shopkeeper, and so I laid this out. Um, I think I'm supposed to have like two panels or whatever. AI said make two panels and this and that, and I was like, okay, whatever, we'll do this. Super jank. See where it goes. Well, this big long thing is the big script that it gave me for it. And I have a couple of questions. I want to walk through a couple things. So, first of all, fabrication UI, you got a bunch of export and on ready variables. These things here all connect to items over here. So, these are the literal pieces of the fabrication UI. For instance, we got, the upgrade list is a VBox container. That's literally what this is. The weapon list is a VBox container. So that's the upgrades button, the weapons button. So all these things right here relate to the actual UI. And this is kind of cool specifically because this says on ready variable weapon.button. So you're declaring a variable that's a button. I have type safety on. It's a button. And then this is where to find the node. But something that's kind of cool is you don't actually have to type that. So you can come over here and go, haha, pretty cool. You just drag it in and it works. So anyway, let's move on here. So player's null. Yep. Okay. Ready. Automatically hide it because we don't want it to be shown when the game starts. Upgrade weapon, press connect, show upgrades. Weapon button, press connect, show weapons. That's already like, wait a minute, what? Because it sounds to me like these things aren't going to show anything unless you press these two. We'll see how this actually works. Get tree node added, blah, 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 blah. Okay, existing player, this connects to player. Building the buttons, node added, connecting the player, looking at the scrap to make sure that you have the actual scrap that the player has, on scrap change, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so function. This is another thing that I was worried about. When I looked at this, I was like, wait a minute. How do you close this thing? So right here we have function open shop, function close shop, function toggle shop. My guess is that these things need to be connected over on my character. Like with that key press thing that, made me have the idle issue in devlog 1. My guess is that we want that to call this function right here. But again, we're going to see how this works. Show upgrades, upgrade section dot show, weapon selection dot, oh wait, hold on. That's a mistake. Hide, show, okay, this needs to be hide. Look at this, another syntax issue. See, something just stupid like that. I put the wrong thing. Although, see, these two things right here, function show upgrades, function show weapons, this makes me think that these two are going to be going back and forth. Like it's going to look like, let's see if I can fake this real quick. It's going to look like this. When you click weapons, it's going to show that. Then when you click the other one, it's going to show this. And I think it's going to toggle back and forth between those two, which that's not exactly what I want unless I make them bigger. But what, we're going to see here, okay? This is all part of the thing when you're learning how to do this stuff, and it makes you scratch your head sometimes. Especially when you're using AI, and AI doesn't always know what it's doing. So, okay, let's see. Get child. Okay, and so then build upgrade buttons. Okay, this right in here, I was like, what is going on here? So we're building an upgrade button and we're building weapon buttons. right here it says upgrade and upgrades. What is this? You know, like, I mean, I'm sure if you've done this before, you know what this stuff is, but I haven't done this before, so I don't know. I'm trying to show you guys kind of what the stuff that I deal with here. It's like, what is this? How is this? I mean, so this is the button text. So this is creating a variable button that's a new button. All right, that makes sense. The text of the new button is uh if I had to guess, that's like the cost in scrap with the display name and the scrap cost. But I don't understand the S and the D. We'll see. Again, we're going to see how this shows up later when I go and actually play this. And I'm going to do a first reaction to see what this is. So, but we do this twice. So button pressed, buy upgrade, bind upgrade, yes, upgrade container, button. All right, no big deal. We do the same thing for the weapon button. I don't know where these buttons are going to go. I mean, we're creating new buttons right here, but I don't know where they're going to go. I have like, are they going to populate in here? Are they going to populate? Like, I don't know. I just stuck this up here because I was thinking like, well, don't we need some way to purchase these things? That's what I thought. Um, so here, you know, buy upgrade. Oh, if player scrap does not have enough scrap, print not enough scrap. Okay, that makes sense. Add scrap minus upgrade cost, upgrade, add the upgrade. Okay, so this will subtract it, print purchased upgrade, upgrade display name. Okay, that all makes sense. And then we do the exact same thing, buy weapons, blah, 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 blah. Unlock blueprint, fabricated weapon, dooba dooba dooba. Bing, bang, boom. I just wanted to walk through that script with you guys because I was like, what on I mean, what's going on? I got a lot of questions, and it's going to be really interesting to see, um, you know, a first reaction when this loads to see what actually appears and if it's going to do what I think it's going to do. One other thing that forgot to mention. So in this is the layout, and I was talking about how I was not sure how to close it with this. Nothing is calling these things. So it would have to be that it's on the player and it attaches to that key binding that I made. I don't know if I like that. I think we need a little button up in the corner that, when pressed, is going to call probably close shop because you wouldn't see the button if it was open. But I don't know. Maybe it's probably a good thing if there's more than one way to close the shop to maybe not confuse people. I don't know. We'll see. Moment of truth here. I got all this laid out. I put the stuff that needs to be on my player. Let's see what we have. Oh. Well, this is obviously not right. Hang on. Why? Okay. Oh. Turn my menu off. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, here we go. Yeah, we're probably going to have to fast forward this. No. No. You know what? It's taking way too long. We are going to give myself superpowers. Yes. Change. There's this little note from myself right here. Change me for damage so I know what I'm doing. Okay. That's better. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Now we can fast forward this sucker. Ooh, I actually have to collect scrap this time, though, because I'm going to have something to build here. All right, here we go. End of this round. Boom, boom, two, boom. What? Oh, no. Oh, you know what? Everything was spawning underneath the map. Oh, he's somewhere, but he's invisible. All right, I'm going to guess. Oh, this is a fool's errand. See, boom, 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 boom. One enemy. Yes! He spawned! Alright. Now, moment of truth here. Oh, 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 I gotta move that. But that's cool. Dang it. Why? Why did I know that that wasn't going to work? Oh. Well, it was this issue right here, Z index. That was the same thing. When everything was spawning under the map, that was the issue. Oh my gosh. All right. I guess it's back to the drawing board. Oh. Oh no. No, no, that's an easy fix. That's an easy fix. Okay, this is just pointing to the wrong thing. So wait, may not get node because it doesn't exist in here anymore. Oh, it's called fabrication UI. No way. Is this gonna work? All right, we're gonna try this again. I tried to speed them up, as you can see over here, like what, 2 million or 20 million, whatever that is, and they're a little faster. I tried that first spot I tried to change is in the actual thing, but then oh, shut up, Alex. The shopkeeper spawned. Oh, baby, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I was right. Oh, I was so right. Look at this. Click one, the other one just oh, oh yeah, joint grease. Look at this. Look at not enough scrap. Oh, we gotta make it say that sound. Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. Now, I can't buy these because I don't have enough scrap. And we can't close it because we don't have the X, which I said I was gonna need in the other video. And freaking E doesn't close it either, so great. Bricked my game. Back to work. I'm just so happy that this, oh, it works the way I thought it did. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, collect all the scrap. All right. Here we go. All right, but that needs to move. Oh, oh, look at my new button. All right. Joint grease. We're buying all the joint grease. Oh, look, I'm actually faster. I'm actually faster. Oh, guys. Look at this. Oh, I can go back. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Does it say? Does this tell me how much scrap I have? Wow. That is crazy. All right. That's it for now.